Hello students, in organic chemistry the basic concept I have already started and shared 2 videos. Now in this video I am going to explain formula of organic compounds. Organic compounds can be complex. A system is needed that shows structure. We want something that is easy to read. There are different types of formulae of organic compounds: molecular formula, empirical formula, structural formula, condensed formula and bond line formula. One by one I will explain these all. Molecular formula: actual number of atoms of each element in a molecule. The number which is actually present in a molecule or in a compound, that is called molecular formula. Empirical formula: the simplest ratio number of atoms of each element in a molecule. For example, glucose, the formula is C6H12O6. This is molecular formula C6H12O6. But if I divide the numbers by 2, then we'll get, or by 6 we'll get CH2O. CH2O is the simplest formula of C6H12O6. So it is empirical formula. Next is structural formula. It shows all atoms in the bonds. Bonds are represented as line. We can see the structure of propane, in which 3 carbons are attached with 8 hydrogen with the single bond of each. Condensed formula: shorthand way of writing molecular formula, like CH3, CH2, CH3. This is called condensed formula. When any organic compounds, molecule of organic compound shown in a line way, as you can see in the below of the screen, 2 lines are given for 2 molecules. One is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, that is butane, other is butanol. Here carbon-carbon bonds or hydrogen or any other atoms are not given. Only line structure is written with, that is called bond line formula. I hope you can understand how many types of formulae are there. One is molecular formula, other is empirical, then third is structural, condensed and bond line. Now students, another one of the best topic for examination point of view, as well as to know the organic compounds, is isomers. Isomers means what? Different compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. It is 2 types: structural isomers and stereoisomers. Structural isomers: compounds with the same number of atoms and bonds but with the different arrangements. That means their molecular formula are same but structures are different. You can see here normal pentane, or which is written here N-pentane, and other is 2-methyl butane or 2,2-dimethyl propane. In this, the formula, molecular formula is C5H12, but their structures are different and also the compounds are different. So this is type of structural formula. Structural formulae are different. Structural isomers are different types. Here another example is given of C6H14. C6H14 normally n-hexane or normal hexane is here, but it has, you can see here, another structures are also there, which are 2-methylpentane, 3-methylpentane, 2,2-dimethylbutane and 2,3-dimethylbutane. That means having the one formula, molecular formula, but different structural formulas are also here, and obviously these compounds are also different according to their properties. Stereoisomer, compound with the same molecular formula and structural formula but with the different arrangement of their bond in space, that is called stereoisomer. Here you can see the formula are also same, CH3, C, double bond C, CH3 and CH2. That means 4 carbon, 8 hydrogen and with one double bond. But you can see the position of methyl CH3 group are not same in both the figure. In one, both the methyl group are in the same side, but in another these are in the opposite side. This is called transbutane and first one is called cisbutane. So students, next video I will explain what is isomerism. Up to that, read these and write in your notebook. Thank you.